So I'm Chris Costa. I'm Director of Product Management and Packaging for Victorinox Swiss Army. We're here at the 2019 SHOT Show in Las Vegas. And one of the things we're really excited about is line extension to our Hunter Pro ALOX family. So we've got a new color red this year with this is a two-hand opening model, and we've introduced a removable clip to the knife, so and a lanyard. So we've got a nice, classic red color, same blade on the rest of our Hunter Pro series, and removable clip, two-hand opening. Our silver ALOX model, which you'll see here, has a design feature that allows the clip to remove at will. So whatever you're interested in doing, you can reposition the clip, snap it back in, obviously use however you'd like to implement the clip. Got a nice one-hand opening blade, and then the rest of the family that we have is the black and the orange and the wood. They've all included a new lanyard hole, so you can implement one of our different colors. You'll see here paracord red, paracord silver. If you want to use your own color and implement something, it now carries the lanyard hole. One of the other new exciting things that we've come out with in the 111mm series is the Skipper Pro. So essentially the main feature of this knife is a great marlin spike, heavy duty, can help out with wire braiding, rope braiding, certainly opening shackles, things like that. So very substantial implement. It's getting good play in some of our military and Navy sales, so this is both commercial product and retail. So Skipper Pro, small little lanyard, 111mm size, one-hand opening with a great lanyard hook. So one of the other new products this year is for the Chinese Zodiac. It's Year of the Pig. So we've got a beautiful commemorative box. There's 1,000 pieces for North America. And it comes with a little history booklet on Year of the Pig and the association with the Chinese Zodiac. Nice commemorative thing, very popular with our collectors. And it's a Huntsman model for this year. So we've got the Year of the Pig design on a Huntsman model.